Assalamualaikum class. Today we are going to complete the activities that are written on the page number of 3rd. Unit is first, family and friends. Here you can see there is a activity. Read these words. The sound of R and R is the same. Words and phonics. You have a knowledge about how the words words are produced by different letters. When the letters written in a proper pattern, they make a word. And phonics means the sound of the words. So here you can check out, there are some words like car, cart, per, form, star, are, la la, ha ha, ma, ba, grandpa, grandma, mother, father, sister, brother, teacher, flower. So here you can check out the sound are the sound. There are some different words which they have the letters A, R, and they produce the same sound, like car, cart, part, farm, star, R. Here the next is the letter is A, and it also produces the same sound, la la, ha ha, ma, ba, grandpa, grandma. Another is there are two letters E, R. They also produce the same sound, mother, father, sound, sisters, brother, teacher, flower. So in the next B activity, now use the words to complete these sentences. There are the words are given. So here we will complete the sentences by using the different letters which are used here, like AR, AER. So the first is grandpa has an old car. Here you also can check out the picture. In the picture you can see there is a car. So the grandpa has an old car. It goes dash dash per. You will write AR in both blanks. Per. It is the sound of old car. In the third blank, sometimes grandpa and grandma drive to their farm. So here in the both blanks we will write which letter? A letter. Grandpa, grandma. In the fourth blank, there are lots of sheep on the farm. So here we will write two letters which are AR and AR. R and farm. In the fifth, the sheep say ba ba. There are two letters are used here, like two a ba ba. Next, in the next blanks, at night they sleep under the stars. AR is used in this blank. In the next activity C, look at the family tree and complete the sentences with these words. Here you can see the family tree. Grandpa and grandma, then daddy, mummy, uncle Umar, auntie Farida. Daddy, mummy, there are Sarah who is 9-year-old, and Ali 7 years, Fiza 6 years. So there are some different words: mother, father, uncle, auntie, grandpa, grandma, brother, sister, husband and wife. We will complete the blanks by using these words. Ali is Fiza's brother. Sarah is Fiza's. It means Fiza's Sarah's sister is Fiza, and Fiza's sister is also Sarah. So we will write sister. Mummy is Fiza's mother. It doesn't mean it just only the mother of Fiza. She also the mother of Sarah. Daddy is Fiza's father. Umar is Fiza's uncle. Farida is Fiza's auntie. Grandma is daddy's mother. Grandpa is daddy's father. Mummy is daddy's wife, and daddy is mummy's husband. Now come to the next page. Here you can see here you can see there are some different words. We will match them after reading the story of Uncle Umar's crocodile. Come on, my sweeties, come and have your dinner. Who asked the children? Uncle Umar asked the children to come. Sweeties, it means sweeties stands for the children. Come and have your dinner. I don't like your crocodiles. I am afraid they will eat my feet. Nonsense, dear. They are very friendly. Auntie Farida said that I don't like your crocodiles, Uncle Umar. Why? Because she afraid from his crocodile, and she also said that they will eat my crocodile will eat my feet. But Uncle Umar replied, no, these crocodiles are very friendly. In the next you can see, why do you have those crocodiles, Umar? They smell bad. They frightened away the monkey's father. They frightened away my friends too. So the uncle said to Uncle Umar, why you like these crocodiles? Because they have this very bad smell, and they also frightened away the monkeys. But they frightened away my friends. It's mean my friends are also very frightened from them, from its mean crocodile, and monkeys also run away or frightened away from the crocodiles. Umar, I am afraid your crocodiles will eat my cat. No, ma, crocodiles like cats. Yes, for dinner. Then Mama said to Umar, I'm afraid your crocodiles because they will eat my cat, and she has a cat in her house. And then he said that no, ma, crocodiles like cats. They do not eat the cats. Yes, for dinner. Now you can come to the next page. You cannot keep your crocodiles in the garden. You must take them away. We don't like them. They are really very nice. Then someone says like grandpa says your grandma and grandpa says they also do not like the crocodiles. They said to him, please take away your crocodiles from the garden. Do not keep your crocodiles in the garden, and because we don't like your crocodiles, so you must take them away from the garden. They are really very nice. But Uncle Umar say, no, they are very nice. It means this creature is very nice. They do not hurt you. Then can you hear something? Help, I don't know, where is the television? So the grandma and grandpa hear the sound of help. So they check out who is there, but when they reach into the hall, they saw that there is no television. So then a burglar has got our television, and a crocodile has got the burglar. So there was a thief who got their television, and who got the burglar? Who got the burglar? Crocodile. So it's mean here crocodile helped them. And the good to have a television is not it. Ha ha. All right, then you can keep your crocodile. So after that, then they keep their crocodile at home. In the next now we go to the previous page. Here you can easily match the following. Uncle Umar, crocodiles are very nice. What Uncle Umar said, she said crocodiles are very nice. And Auntie Farida said the crocodile will eat my feet. The bird girl said help. Grandpa, crocodiles smell bad. And grandma, the crocodiles will eat my cat. Now come to the page number 5. Here you can see there are some different questions which are taken from the story of Uncle Umar's crocodile. The first question is, does Auntie Farida like crocodiles? No, she does not. We will write the answer shortly, like a tagging. We will tag no, she does not. Second question is, do grandpa and grandma like crocodiles? No, they do not. Does the burglar take the television? Yes, he does. The fourth question is, do Uncle Umar and Auntie Farida catch the burglar? No, they do not. Fifth is, does a crocodile catch the burglar? Yes, it does. Question number 6 is, does Uncle Umar keep the crocodile? Yes, he does. And the seventh question is, do you like crocodile? It's up to you. You will write yes, I do, or I do not. Look at the picture and complete the sentences using these words: night, morning, evening, and afternoon. In the first picture you can see there it is a time of morning. In the second picture you can see there is a time of afternoon. In the third, evening, and fourth is night. So now you will complete the activity number B onto your notebook. Write questions and answer onto your notebook that are written on the page number of 5. Thank you so much.